Hello students, how you are doing? So welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. In the last class, I gave the worked example related with all the trigonometric formulas. So in the today's class, I will start with the exercise 3.3. So see, if you are watching this video first time, please watch till the end and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to get more videos in all the chapter in the easiest way. So please subscribe the channel. Here in exercise 3.3, prove that 5 questions, for 5 questions one common heading, prove that. See, the questions are like this. First one, sin square pi by 6, prove that sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. For these type of examples, the table is very important. Which table? Standard value table. 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. For your reference I am writing, and on the top I am writing radian, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3 and pi by 2. Here write down sine value. Sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, this is 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and this is 1. And write the table in reverse order. That means start with 1. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and this is 0. Tan is what? Tan is sine by cos. 0. 0 upon any number is 0. This is 1 by root 3. It is 1. This is root 3. You can write infinity or not defined. So here, first write on the left side. Sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4. See, this is for your reference. Don't mix with this with the solution. Now, sin square pi by 6 here. Sin square pi by 6 is nothing but sin pi by 6 whole square. That means whatever is the value of sin 30 degree, that whole square we have to write. So with the help of that table, no need to convert in terms of degree because I gave the radian also. What is sin pi by 6? Sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2 whole square plus cos pi by 3, that is 60 degree, is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square. Tan 45 is 1. Refer the table. This is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. LCM is 4. 1 plus 1 minus 4. This is multiplied with 4. 2 minus 4 upon 4, that is minus 2 by 4. Minus 2 by 4 is nothing but minus 1 by 2. That is RHS. See, the table is must and should, and the sums are very easy. Moving to the next question, second one. Same, prove that only. Moving to the second question in that category, prove that only. Second one, 2 into sin square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. So write on the left side here. First in the solution, write on the LHS. 2 into sin square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3. See, from the table which values you can write? Sin pi by 6 we can write. On the top, radians. Pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2. See the table and tell me what is sin pi by 6. Sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2. It is 2 into 1 by 2 whole square plus, but we are not familiar with cosecant 7 pi by 6. Cosecant 7 pi by 6, convert in terms of degree. Pi by 6 is 30 degrees, 7 into 30, 210. Cosecant 210, how you split? Cosec 2 into 90 plus 30. 2 is even, so cosecant remains as it is. It is cosecant 30 degree. Then we have to check where it comes in which quadrant. See, if you draw the quadrant, this is 0 into 90, this is 1 into 90, this is 2 into 90. 2 into 90 plus means third quadrant. In the third quadrant is cosecant negative. So minus cosec 30. Then how to write cosec 30 from the table? Whatever is the sign value, write on the reciprocal of that. That means to write a cosecant 30, see sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Its reciprocal we have to write. So the answer is minus 2. This is minus 2 square. Then cos pi by 3. See the table. Pi by 3 is 1 by 2. Again it is a square, 1 by 2 square. It is 2 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 1 by 4. 4 get cancels. It is 2 ones are 2s. 1 by 2 plus 1. When you take the LCM, LCM is 2. 1 plus 2 divided by 2. That is 3 by 2. That is nothing but RHS. Now I am moving to the next question. That is question number 3. In the same category, prove that. Cot square pi by 6, prove that cot square pi by 6 plus cosecant 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6 is equal to 6. So again write on the left side in the solution. First write on the left side. Cot square pi by 6 plus cosecant 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6. Cot pi by 6. To write a cot pi by 6, see the tan pi by 6 and write down its reciprocal. Tan pi by 6 is 1 by root 3. Its reciprocal is root 3 square plus, but we cannot write cosec 5 pi by 6 from the table. Cosec 5 pi by 6, I am converting this in terms of degree. That is cosecant 150 degree. And this I am splitting as cosecant 1 into 90 plus 60. 1 is odd, cosecant changes to sec 60 degree. And can you tell me where it comes? Yes, it comes in second quadrant. It is 0 into 90. This is 1 into 90 plus means because we are moving in this direction. In second quadrant. In second quadrant cosecant is positive. To write sec 60 degree, see cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2 and we have to write its reciprocal. This is 2 plus 3 into tan pi by 6 is 1 by root 3, it's a square. So root 3 square is 3 plus 2 plus 3 into 1 by 3. This side cancels. 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6. That is RHS. Now I am moving to the fourth question. In the same category, prove that fourth question. Two into sine square 3 pi by 4. 2 into sine square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 into cos square pi by 4 plus 2 into secant square pi by 3 is equal to 10. So again write on the left side. Write down LHS 2 into sine square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 into cos square pi by 4 plus 2 into secant square pi by 3. See, sometimes even I did some mistakes. Now we cannot write the value from this value from the table. So sine 3 pi by 4 convert in terms of degree. This is sine 135 degree. That is sine 1 into 90 plus 45. 1 is odd, sine changes to cos. Cos 45 and it comes in second quadrant. This is 0 into 90, this is 1 into 90. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. It is a positive because in second quadrant sign is positive. 2 into 1 by root 2 whole square plus 2 into cos 45 is 1 by root 2, again square is there, plus 2. And you know that to write a sec value we have to see cos, because reciprocal of cos is sec. Cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2, its reciprocal is 2. Here it is 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2 square is 4, 4 2s are 8. 1 plus 1 plus 8, that is 10, and that is the required answer. Yes, all the sums are very simple. Only thing you have to remember the table and all the basic formulas wherever it is necessary. Moving to the next question, that is the fifth one. Fifth question is find the value of in that first one sine is 75 degree. Two questions are there. Tan 15 degree. So for first we are moving to sine 75 degree. And split 75 can split in so many form. For example, 10 plus 65, 50 plus 25, but split with the help of table. That means when you are splitting, that value should be familiar. This is sine 30 plus 45. We are familiar with sine 30 as well as sine 45. So it is in the form of sin x plus y, that is sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. Now apply this. Sin 30 degree into cos 45 plus cos 30 degree into sin 45. Sin 30 degree is how much? Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Multiply these two. 1 upon 2 root 2 plus root 3 upon 2 root 2. Take the LCM. LCM is 2 root 2. This is 1 plus root 3, or we can write root 3 plus 1. Therefore, sin 75 degree is root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. This is sin 75. Moving to the next question, that is tan 15 degree. So tan 15 degree, second one. Again we have to split which values you are familiar. That's why I am splitting this as 45 degree minus 30 degree. Both values are familiar from the table, and it is in the form of tan x minus y, that is tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x into tan y. So x is 45 and y is 30 degree. Tan 45 minus tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan 45 into tan 30. Write down the tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. 30 degree is 1 by root 3 upon 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3. So it is 1 minus 1 by root 3 upon 1 plus 1 by root 3. Take the LCM for both numerator and denominator. Now it is root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. In sometimes we are using tan 15 degree as root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. But every time we are not using this. So you can write one more value for this if you rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator, you will get one more value. Rationalizing factor, you already were familiar. Root 3 plus 1, its rationalizing factor is root 3 minus 1. And denominator is a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. It is root 3 square plus 1 square minus 2 root 3 whole divided by 3 minus 1. This is 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. 2 is common. 2 minus root 3 divided by 2. 2 get cancels. 2 minus root 3. That means for a tan 15 degree you can write root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1 or 2 minus root 3. Which is convenient, which is helpful for the problem, write down that value. And some questions I will give as a homework. And try this. In the next class I will explain, but try this as a homework. The values are, find the value of first one, cos 15 degree, second one, cos 75 degree, third one, tan 75 degree. So these are the homework questions. Now moving to the next, sixth question. Prove that, sixth one, prove that or prove the following: cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y is equal to sin of x plus y. So again same, write down the LHS. Cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y. For our convenient, we are writing the brackets as, because the brackets are repeated, put pi by 4 minus x as a and pi by 4 minus y as a b. The given equation will be written as cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. Now remember the formula. It is in the form of cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. that is cos of x plus y, that is a plus b. Now write down that cos a value, a is pi by 4 minus x plus b pi by 4 minus y. Take the addition of pi by 4 plus pi by 4 here, because middle plus is there. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4, LCM is 4, pi plus pi, that is 2 pi by 4, that is nothing but pi by 2. Or the students, if you are good in calculations, what is pi by 4? Pi by 4 is 45. 45 plus 45 is 90. 90 is nothing but pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 minus common x plus y. Have you remembered allied angles? Yes. Cos 90 minus theta. It is in the form of cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. That is nothing but sin x plus y. So this is the RHS. Moving to the next question, that is question number 7. Prove that tan of pi by 4 plus x upon tan of pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x whole square. So write down the LHS. Tan pi by 4 minus x upon pi by 4 plus x upon tan pi by 4 minus x. Please refer that formula list. It is in the form of tan x plus y, that is tan pi by 4 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x, and write down the denominator. Again tan x minus y formula. Refer that tan pi by 4 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. And you are familiar with tan pi by 4 value, that is 1. 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x whole divided by, see, you have to write the fraction like this. Again tan 45, 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. In the numerator also we have a fraction, in the denominator also we have a fraction. This fraction goes up. See, this term and this term are same. So it is 1 plus tan x whole square. This term goes up. 1 minus tan x whole square. And this will be written as 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x whole square. That is RHS. Moving to the next question, that is question number 8. And this is also nothing but same. Prove that cos pi plus x into cos of minus x divided by sin pi minus x into cos pi by 2 plus x is equal to cot square x. So write down the LHS. And you are familiar with allied angles. Cos pi plus x into cos of minus x divided by sin pi minus x into cos of pi by 2 plus x. See, what is cos pi plus x? Pi is 180. Cos 180 plus x is 2 into 90, that is cos x. And cos of minus x is cos x. In the allied angles, I explain everything. Sin 180 minus theta is sin theta. And cos 90 plus x, cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta. That's why I am writing in the bracket. Cos x into cos x is cos square x. This is minus sin square x. This minus I wrote in the middle. Cos 180 minus theta. So 180 plus theta. This is minus cos x. Cos 180 plus theta comes in third quadrant. Third quadrant cos is negative. Sorry, this is minus. This is minus. Both minus get cancels. Answer is cot square x. That is RHS. Now moving to the 9th question. Prove that cos 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos 2 pi plus x in the bracket cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x bracket complete is equal to 1. So write down the LHS. Cos 3 pi by 2x, 3 pi by 2x into cos 2 pi plus x in the bracket cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x. I will solve each and everything on the right side. See, what is cos 3 pi by 2 plus x? That is cos 270 plus x. That is nothing but 3 into 90 plus x. 3 is odd. Cos changes to sin. It comes in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant cos is positive. So it is sin x. Next, cos 2 pi by x. Cos 2 pi by x is cos 360 plus x. It is cos 4 into 90 plus x. 4 is even, cos remains cos, and it comes in first quadrant, so it is a positive. Now in the bracket. So this you are following. Next, cot 3 pi by 2 minus x. Cot 3 pi by 2 minus x. That is cot 270 minus x. That is nothing but cot 3 into 90 minus x. 3 is a odd. Cot changes to tan. And where it comes, see here I will write the quadrant. This is 0 into 90, this is 1 into 90, 2 into 90, 3 into 90. Minus means third quadrant. Third quadrant cot is positive. And because of odd number, cot changes to tan. Next, cot 2 pi by 2 pi plus x. 2 pi is 360. 360 plus x. It is cot 4 into 90 plus x. 4 is even. Cot remains cot. After that we have to check where it comes. This is 4 into 90 plus means first quadrant. First quadrant all are positive. But answer is 1 is required. Keep this sin x into cos x as it is. Tan I am writing as sin x upon cos x. Cot I am writing as cos x upon sin x. Now outside sin x into cos x as it is, take the LCM for bracket term. Cos x into sin x. This sin is multiplied here, sin square x. This cos is multiplied here, cos square x. This sin x and sin x, cos x and cos x get cancels. Sin square x plus cos square x already were familiar. This is the identity, and this identity is one, that is RHS. So in the next class I will explain some more example from the exercise 3.3.